Hello everyone, this is Manasi Mahadik from RUSA, Center for Advanced Sensor Technology, Department of Physics of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Today I am going to present the synthesis and morphological analysis of polypyrrole nanowires for the application of the heavy metal and sensing. Let us start from the fundamental analysis. As we know, the current era is moving rapidly towards the nano things as nanowires and nano devices. Then the question arises why we are moving towards the nano things as nanostructures, nanowires, and why the conducting polymer nanowires, which I am going to represent here. This is This is what the nanostructures and the nanowires and conducting polymers we are using. The main thing using the nanowires is its small cross-sectional area and its high output current response. And other thing is large surface area which improves the sensitivity of the sensor. This is the main thing that is why the nanowires are rapidly using in the sensing application. And the conducting polymer nanowires are used because of its large conductivity change, flexibility. The main important thing is ease of synthesis, and another thing is can be synthesized at any other desired location. This is what the electrochemical setup for the synthesis of the polypyrrole nanowires or any other nanowires. It shows the CHI which I have used, that is CH1120, and the three electrode setup which contains the working electrode, reference electrode, and the counter electrode, and with the polypyrrole solution. And it shows the AFM image of the grown polypyrrole nanowire at the desired location. Here we are using the platinum electrode. This shows that as it is a two-step galvanostatic technique, in this, in the first step, we are applying the 0.08 milliampere centimeter square in the ratio current in the first step, and this is for the 20 minutes. And in the second step, we are applying the 0.02 milliampere current for the 90 minutes. This is what the two-step galvanostatic technique. After this, this is the AFM image of the polypyrrole nanowires grown. From this, we can see around 34 nanometer to around 33 nanometers length nanowires can be grown, and it can be breached between the 3 micron gap of the electrodes, which we can use for the sensing application. This is the AFM image. In this is the 3D plot, and it shows the histogram of the AFM image. By using the histogram, we can measure the height of the grown nanowires at the desired location. And the AFM is done because we can also measure the roughness parameters. By changing the roughness parameters, we can use it for the sensing application. And these are what the roughness parameters of the grown nanowires. This is the main roughness parameter. This is the mean, max, mid, but this is the main roughness parameter. And this roughness can be changed by using the polypyrrole of the polypyrrole nanowires, and it can be changed by using the uh, metalloporphyrin group or by using the chelating ligand for the sensing application. And thank you.